Hey everyone, so today we're going to be talking about inequality signs. And inequalities are basically a big fancy way for talking about numbers that are less than another number and numbers that are greater than another number. So you've probably seen these signs before and you're probably familiar with them. But just as a reminder, they kind of look like alligator mouths. So we have that sign right there. And then we have that sign right there. So this one right here, if you look at this end right here, pay attention to that right there. And then notice how the mouth is opening up on this end. This is the less than sign. Now, if we look over here at the other sign, notice how this end is over here, and then the mouth of it is opened up over here. This one would be greater, or would be the, let's see how small I can write this. Greater than. That would be the greater than sign. So let me give you an example. Starting over here with this first one, we can go 3 is less than 5. Because right here we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. So we can clearly see that there are more dots on this side. So that way we know that 3 is less than 5. Let me go ahead and do another one. Let me erase this really quick. Another thing that you might have learned about these signs already if you've been previously taught them is referring to the inequality signs as alligator mouths. So if you imagine that the alligator mouths have teeth, apparently this one has a lot of plaque. I forgot to change the color. But yeah, if they have teeth, I mean, honestly, alligators probably do have yellow teeth. It's all good. Okay, so the bigger end right here is open. So this one will always be eating the bigger number. So to go the other way with it, let's go 5 is greater than 3. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3. And then our plaque-filled alligator mouth, notice how it's open, so it would be eating this number 5 right here. So that way we know that 5 is greater than 3. So hopefully this makes sense to you guys. Just remembering the two different signs, the less than sign and the greater than sign. And just remembering it that way. Another thing that I want to touch on real quick before I wrap this up is sometimes the numbers will be the exact same. And when that happens, well, let me just show you. So we have, if we had the number 5 and the number 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see that right here, this is the same amount. So one number is not greater than the other number. One number is not less than the other number. In this particular case, we would just put an equal sign because they're equal. 5 equals 5. So Like I said, hopefully that makes sense, you guys. And I hope that this little review of inequalities was helpful and just a good reminder of how everything works. In the next video, I will show you guys how to solve problems involving the inequality signs.